るってマジで。うわ、あのバス大丈夫か。
Natural Disasters on Event Shot channel. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to put a like, comment and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. You're awesome. Tokyo, Japan, the capital is reeling from the impact of terrifying guerrilla rainstorms that struck with little warning this week. In a shocking display of nature's fury, these flash torrential downpours hit Tokyo with an intensity that left the city in disarray. Train stations were inundated, and in one dramatic incident, a manhole cover was blown off by water gushing from underground as people scrambled for cover, desperately seeking shelter from the relentless storm. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued urgent warnings across Tokyo and surrounding areas as unstable atmospheric conditions continue to menace the region. These guerrilla rainstorms, known for their sudden and unpredictable nature, are far more than your typical summer shower. Unlike ordinary rain that passes quickly, these storms can last over an hour, unleashing up to 100 millimeters of rain per hour, enough to overwhelm the city's sewer systems, which are only built to handle around half that amount. The science behind these localized torrential downpours is both fascinating and frightening. They occur when cold air in the upper atmosphere clashes with the hotter temperatures near the ground, especially during the sweltering summer months. This creates powerful updrafts, leading to the formation of towering cumulonimbus clouds, which unleash intense and highly localized rainfall that's nearly impossible to predict. Despite advanced forecasting techniques, even experts admit that these storms are a challenge to anticipate. Weather forecasts are made by predicting the movement of air at intervals of 5 or 2 kilometers, explains an official from the Japan Weather Association. But the cumulonimbus clouds that bring guerrilla rainstorms operate on a much smaller scale, making them difficult to predict. As Tokyo battles the aftermath of these ferocious rainstorms, stay tuned for the latest updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for ongoing coverage of this extreme weather event in Japan.